So I got a new job at Ulta. This is my first little haul. Some of these things are for my mom and my sister because I'm nice. And they sent requests. And this lip product is from Ulta. It's actually Ulta brand. My makeup is not great. It's a little yellowy. It's been a long day. It was like pouring. When I got off work, I was just there for training and it was like pouring, and so I was like, well, I want to do shopping anyway, so I hung out and ended up getting my nails done, which was quite nice. And this is actually, I don't know, I can't say that I've actually tried one of the like matte lip creams that have recently come out, like within the last year or so. But this is the Ulta matte lip cream in Passionate. And I don't know, I mean, I put it on just a little bit ago. Probably not perfectly put on. But I mean, I had a little bit of water and I just ate some ice cream. It's okay. It's definitely faded pretty quickly and it definitely like transfers. But for like a cheap sort of like a drugstore kind of price product, good. So I'm hoping to do a little haul with these products sometime soon. I don't know if I'll get a chance to. I don't think I'll get a chance to tonight. Maybe in the morning, but then I'm going back to Iowa for the weekend for a family reunion, so that should be fun. But I just wanted to say hey, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the red lipstick I'm like glammed, but I'm not. My eyelashes have been like doing great though lately. I'm pleased. But so tonight for dinner we have Halo Top mint chip, 240 calories per bite. That's just protein. So basically, because I was at work for a couple hours and then I shopped. I mean, I was at work for, I don't know, 2.5 hours. It wasn't very long. It was just to do some training stuff. And then I shopped for a while and got my nails done. And so I didn't eat anything for the whole time. I had some snacks packed, but I was never like starving. I was like, I can wait. I don't want to be the weird one that eats all the snacks, which I should have just ate snacks. But anyways, so I have a bunch of protein left to consume today. So I just had some like nuts, some just mixed nuts, and I'm going to eat this whole pint because I can. It's delicious. I do have to say, there is sugar in here, which is not good. So if you're like my Yoli lady, just shh, don't tell her. I'm sorry. But it's delicious, and it's just, it's like a rainy night. I mean, now it's just dark out, it's not really rainy, but, and I just needed something to eat, and I didn't want to eat like my little snacks and stuff. I figured I was home, I was going to enjoy some ice cream, so I'm gonna get this stuff organized and ready to put away, and then pack, and then we'll see. Hopefully, shower, something maybe, get ready for bed, all that kind of stuff. And then I have to get up kind of early tomorrow morning, depending on what I want to get done. I'm actually gonna fly home, which is kind of nice. So at least it's like I don't have to get up quite as early as I would if I had to take the bus, and I don't have to like be on a bus for like 6 or 7 hours. So that's awesome. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get to my ice cream and my YouTube and my makeup stuff, my like happy place, and I'll see you later.